Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a watch me work video because I thought it would be nice for you guys to see me complete in order today. So first I was just cleaning off my desk, and I'm first going to start buffing my nail tips, and I'm just going to make sure that the tips are nice and rough so that when I apply the base gel, that the color gels will have something nice to stick onto. Next, I'm just going to use a brush to dust off the excess dust, and then I'm going to take my little lint-free nail wipes. You can find these on Amazon. I will link everything down below, and I'm going to take some alcohol and wipe everything down just to make sure that everything is clean and nicely wiped down, so I don't have any excess dust going into any of my polishes or any of my base gels, because you don't want any of that dust collecting, because trust me, that'll be a nightmare. Now I'm going in with my iGel Beauty base gel. I know it looks a little busted. It's been well loved, and I do have a new one, so I'm just gonna bust that out soon when I'm done with this one. So I'm just going to apply that to all of the nails. And I know some people don't apply a base coat. I like to apply a base coat because, you know, it does give the nail a little bit of extra strength, and it will keep the nail from, I'm sorry, not the nail, it'll keep the gel from peeling off, and I just want to be extra cautious, you know, because I don't want to have any problems. And then I'm going to go in with this Beetles gel polish. It's a nice chocolate brown, and I'm going to do 2 coats of this. Right now you're seeing the first coat, and I love the Beetles gel polishes. I feel they are one of the best Amazon gel polishes because they're not too thick and they're not too thin. They're just really great, and they layer very, very well. And I'm sorry if I keep moving the nail stand around. I'm just trying to coat these in the most comfortable way because of the way my camera is situated. So I'm sorry if everything just keeps moving around. Next, I'm going in with my Apres non-wipe gel top coat, and I'm just going to apply that to all of the nails and put that in my lamp for 60 seconds. I'm sorry if I wasn't clear before, but in between each layer of gel, I cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. And that's the end of that set number 1. Set number 2, I'm going in with vintage lace from iGel Beauty, and I'm going to actually be applying 3 layers of this color because it is a little bit sheer, but I do not want like an opaque color for this set, so this was the perfect color to go in with. And I already prepped the nail tips for this one. And so I actually kind of messed up. I forgot that I needed to paint the thumb and the pinky black, so I just went over those two nails with black, and it just easily covered because, you know, like, it's black, so it'll mostly cover any kind of color. So next I'm going to just go in with my black color and my Beetles long brush, and this is a great strapping brush, by the way, and I'm trying to show this well on camera, but I'm just going to basically do like outline the outside of the nail and do it's kind of hard to explain, but basically outline the outside of the nail. I tried to get as much footage as I can, but it was very difficult to film, so I didn't really get a lot of footage of this. So yeah, I'm sorry for that, guys. I did most of them off camera, but I will show you what they look like afterwards, so you can just watch what I'm doing here, you know, just to get my drift here, you know, because this was difficult to do on camera, and I'm sorry if it's, you know, out of focus. Yeah. It was supposed to be like a smile line. That's what it's supposed to be. Okay, so I completed the rest, and I'm just going in with my matte top coat. I actually went in with an alcohol prep pad and wiped down all of the nails, because I do find that if I don't wipe the nails down first, the color will transfer onto my brush for some reason. So I wiped them down first and then went in with the matte top coats. And then I'm just going to cure that for 1 minute, and it'll come out looking nice and ready to go for the next step. Next step is using the iGel Beauty Jewelry Gel. If you can't find a nice glue or whatever to stick your rhinestones on with, this is the best that I have ever tried. I mean, I haven't tried many, but this is amazing. None of my rhinestones have ever fell off using this. Like, it is the best. So I'm just applying like the smallest rhinestone in my little pack. I will link that down below as well. And I'm just using this little what's it called, this little wax stick. I got this from Nail Couture, and I'm just doing what I do here, you know, just applying the rhinestones on and just curing for 1 minute, and that literally completes that design. That completes that design. As you can see, the full smile lines there. That's how it came out. And the next step is packaging. So these are both of the nail sets that will be going in. So that's basically it. Here's my box and my logo, and just taking the sticker off, applying it on the box, and just getting my nail tape. The double-sided nano tape I will link down below as well. And I'm just going to apply 2 strips of that in there, and I just make sure that I dust out any of the little dusties that are left over, because it will collect on the bottom of your nano tape, and that ain't cute. So for this one, I turned it to the side and just applying 2 strips of that, and then I'm just going to position my nails right on top of that. And that's mainly it for this video. I'm gonna let you guys watch the rest. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know what you guys would like to see next, and I will see you guys in the next one. And the next video I have for you guys is going to be a great one. Macart just came out with their extra long nail tips, so be on the lookout for that video. So I will see you guys in that next one. Bye!